Good day, truckers! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process and what you need to reset the oil life or oil change light in the 2004 to 2025 Chevy Colorado. It's pretty straightforward, just a few steps and some little tricks. So with that being said, let's get to it. There are two different ways to reset the oil life on the old Chevrolet Colorado, and this one is the fastest way to do it. So just follow me along. Step 1. Turn the key on without the engine running. Step 2. Depress and release the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds, and you'll hear the 3 beeps. This should reset the oil life, and the light will no longer tell you to change your engine oil. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the next one. Alright, the second method is to use the trip button on the cluster display to reset the oil life indicator on a Chevy Colorado. So here's the way to do it. Step 1. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Step 2. Press the trip button briefly until you see oil life on the display. Step 3. Press and hold the trip button for a few seconds till you hear the 3 beeps and you're done. Depending on your trim level, the second generation Chevy Colorado may be reset in one of 3 ways. Here, I'll demonstrate the process of resetting it in the up-level display. Step 1. Start your car. Step 2. Press the left navigation button to access the cluster applications. Step 3. Highlight the info page and press the check button to select. Step 4. Scroll down to the remaining oil life menu. Step 5. Press and hold the check button until the oil life display changes to 100% and you're good to go. If your car is equipped with the mid-level display, you can reset the oil life as follows. Step 1. Start your car. Step 2. Use the buttons on your steering wheel and press over to the right to go to the I symbol. Step 3. Scroll down until you get the oil life screen. Step 4. Push the check button and it will give you a prompt to reset. Step 5. Highlight yes, then press the check button to confirm the oil life reset and you're done. Next, for the base level model, the oil life system can also be reset as follows. Step 1. Turn on the ignition. Step 2. Press the menu button on the turn signal lever repeatedly until you get to the vehicle tab menu. Step 3. Use the thumb wheel to scroll down to the remaining oil life. Step 4. Press the set button to open the reset menu. Step 5. Highlight yes and finally press the set button to confirm the oil life reset. You may reset the oil life on the newest generation Chevy Colorado using the main touchscreen. So here is the way you're doing it. Step 1. Start up your car. Step 2. Tap on Home to get the main menu. Step 3. Find and tap the vehicle info menu. Step 4. Select on Fluid and Filter menu. Step 5. tap on Oil Life. Step 6. Tap on Reset. Step 7. Select Reset again to confirm, and the percentage will change to 100%. So that's how you reset it. I hope this helps everybody. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tutorials. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.